be careful when squaring radicals. I see this mistake all the time. Watch this. Let's say I wanted to square this one right here, square root of 6, like that. Now, technically, this means square root of 6 times the square root of 6, which is technically the square root of 36, which we know that's 6. Now, we know that the shortcut is whenever you have a square root and you're squaring it, you can kind of just cancel it, right? And the answer is just 6. And a simple one like this is not too bad. What usually gets people is this number on the outside when there's numbers and variables out there, because they think, oh, the square root just cancels and this is just going to be 2 times 6, which is 12. And that sounds like it's right? But that's wrong. Remember, this squared on the outside is technically distributing into everything here. So that's technically 2 squared times the square root of 6 squared. So this is really 4 times 6, which is 24. It's very easy to forget to distribute the square on the outside. So a little more complicated here with some variables. The third one, let's square this one. Again, that's 2 squared times the square root of 6xy squared, which is going to be 4 times 6xy, which will be 24xy. And finally, let's put some powers on the outside. Square this, you get, now that whole quantity, 2x squared y, all of that is squared, times the square root of 6xy squared. So now this distributes into everything in there. All three of those, careful. So that'll be 2 squared x to the 4th y squared times 6xy, the radical cancels. 4x to the 4th y squared times 6xy, which finally goes to 24x to the 5th y cubed. So a little trickier there, but you can see it goes from easy, medium to hard, right?